sluice box together. And that's about all that it is together, so I'll put it together a bit and show you stages of how it's going. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is assemble the portable pieces. Camera's crooked. Alright, so that's the main part. Now, the trouble with this sluice box is if you push it in the middle, it's going to want to bend. Real cheap portable sluice box. Paid $250 for this stupid thing, and it's a piece of crap if you don't put it in the creek. I hope that stays level and this doesn't open up so that all the gold runs right through it. It's got those new joints. Alright. Block over now. Open up the other. It doesn't bend back and forth. Pretty strong now. Alright, now we're going to attach the toolbox to the sluice box. Now we have it together. Now I'm going to put the legs on. It's set up finally. It's just about all done. Well, there's where everything comes out. Runs down the riffles. Now, this is the top. This is the legs. A little support in there. I have a better support. Bolts to hold the toolbox on. This is the toolbox sluice box. And down the side here. This is the water intake. Put the lid up here. There's the inside. All the nuts and bolts in there. You want to have the lower down bolts with washers so that none of the gold leaks through. Upper bolts, not a big deal. Don't need washers on them, especially behind where the water is coming in. And then this here is can open the gate. Open the gate if I want. Close it back up. Okay, and we'll get this puppy running in a little bit here. One last part I didn't show was about those screens, how they fit. First we put this in here, like so. Right. I just slip these in like that, so that when I shovel the dirt in there, the bigger rocks come down here and I throw them out, and the smaller stuff goes in and comes running out the sluice box, and that way I don't have such heavy rocks going through the sluice box, disrupting the riffle the way they should work. Alright, okay, so I think I'm all set. I'm gonna go set it up, get the pump running, and try a little sluicing. Yeah, this is not the greatest sluice box, but good enough for testing. I'll go back and throw a few shovels in and you can watch. That's enough just to show you how it works. Normally I wouldn't be digging dirt here at all. I'd be finding a nice spot, dig down long ways, and then throw the gravel in the sluice box in, and try to get less big rocks in there. But this is kind of how it works. It's not totally unleveled, I should say, and so it's a little bit rough. Water's come a little too fast, but this stupid box takes a lot of fine tuning. It's really hard to work with. That's some place where I'd be going and testing for a week or two to get it all fine tuned in order to be worth it. But that's how it works, and that's how portable it is. All that crap fits into that one toolbox. And you thought toolboxes were only for tools. Okay. Alright. We'll clean this mess up. Okay, I'll pan that up later, see what we got.